What is up, everyone? It's your favorite force of nature here. Today we dive into the world of one of the most iconic and weirdly awesome birds, the flamingo. You see them on lawn ornaments in zoos, but there are so many mind-blowing facts about these pink legends you've probably never heard before. We're not just talking about their color. We're going deep into their crazy lifestyles, superpowered abilities, and some truly unbelievable secrets. Forget everything you thought you knew, because we're about to embark on an epic journey of discovery. Smash that like button if you're ready to learn, hit subscribe, and let's get right into the first unbelievable fact about these feathered wonders. Let's kick things off with the most obvious thing about flamingos, their incredible pink color. Have you ever wondered they're pink? The secret is in their diet. It's a classic case of you are what you eat. The main culprits behind this fabulous pink transformation are tiny pigments called carotenoids. Flamingos chow down on brine shrimp, tiny crustaceans, and various types of algae packed with these pigments. Without these specific food sources, flamingos would actually be a rather dull gray or white color. When a flamingo scoops up a mouthful of shrimp or algae, its body breaks down these carotenoids, depositing the pigments into their feathers. The intensity of their color can even tell you a bit about their diet and health. A brighter flamingo is often a well-fed and healthy flamingo. Different species of flamingos can have slightly different shades depending on the specific types of carotenoid-rich foods available in their local habitats. So next time you see a flamingo, remember that its stunning color is a direct result of its last few meals. Fact number 2. Flamingos can and often do sleep standing on just one leg. Imagine trying that yourself. You'd probably topple over in seconds. Flamingos do this to conserve body heat and save energy. They tuck one leg into their feathers to stay warm. Their leg joints have a locking mechanism. This allows them to stand with minimal effort. They switch legs to rest and stay alert. This behavior is seen across different flamingo species. It helps them thrive in their environment. Flamingos are incredibly social creatures, living in massive groups called colonies or flamboyances. These colonies can be absolutely enormous, sometimes numbering in the tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of individuals. The primary reason for living in such huge groups is safety in numbers. Being surrounded by thousands of other flamingos significantly reduces the risk of being picked off by a predator. These large colonies also play a crucial role in breeding. Flamingos have elaborate courtship displays, often performed in large synchronized groups. This synchronized breeding means that many chicks hatch around the same time, which can also help with chick survival. There's a complex social structure within these groups, with various interactions and communications happening all the time. Their social nature is key to their survival and success as a species. The next time you see a picture of a huge flamingo colony, remember you're looking at one of the most successful social networking strategies in the entire animal kingdom. Let's get into one of the weirdest and most fascinating flamingo facts, the way they eat. These birds have a truly unique feeding method that involves turning their heads completely upside down in the water. This bizarre posture is all part of their filter feeding superpower, allowing them to sift out tiny morsels from the mud and water. Their main diet consists of brine shrimp, small insects, larvae, and blue-green algae. To get at them, the flamingo plunges its specialized beak into the water upside down. Along the edges of both the upper and lower beak are comb-like structures called lamellae. When the flamingo sucks water and mud into its beak, these lamellae act as a filter. The flamingo then forces the water and mud out through the sides of its beak, and the lamella trap the tiny food particles inside. This whole process happens rapidly and continuously as they sweep their heads from side to side. It's a highly sophisticated system that allows them to thrive in habitats where other birds might struggle to find enough to eat. When you think of flamingos, you probably picture them elegantly wading through shallow waters or standing majestically on one leg. But don't let their appearance fool you. Flamingos are strong flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, often flying in large flocks, forming V formations to conserve energy, their long necks outstretched and legs trailing behind. Next time you see a flamingo, remember it's a powerful flyer. Baby flamingos are not born pink. Flamingo chicks hatch with gray or white downy feathers. They are fed crop milk, rich in fats, proteins, and carotenoids. As they grow, they eat carotenoid-rich brine shrimp and algae. It takes years for them to molt and turn fully pink. Juveniles are often paler with gray patches. Their pinkness depends on diet quality and quantity. The journey from gray chick to pink adult shows diet's impact on appearance. That is a wrap on some of the most insane and fascinating flamingo facts you probably never knew. Which facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. I read all of them. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more epic nature content, make sure you absolutely demolish that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Share this video with a friend who thinks they know everything about animals. I bet they won't know all of these flamingo secrets. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember that the world is full of wonders. Peace out.